Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to present our topic titled Basic Concept of Electrical Circuit and Ohm's Law. This presentation is a part of the Electrical Circuit Fundamental subject. Our lecturer for this subject is Dr. Farid Arafat bin Azidin. The team members involved in this presentation are Keethanjali anak perempuan Anbalagan, Tifany Aanyaa anak perempuan Desmond Desmond anak Paul. In this presentation, we will explain the basic concept of electrical circuits, important electrical terms, and the types of circuit.
As you guys can see, the table of contents is terms of definitions, review of letters and terms used in Ohm's law, types of circuit, series and parallel circuits. The last one is example and solution.
Next, I will explain some important terms used in electrical circuits. First is voltage. Voltage is also known as electrical potential. It is the electrical pressure created by the buildup of electrical charge. This pressure causes charged particles such as electrons to move in a circuit. The unit of voltage is volt and its symbol is V. Next is electromotive force or EMF. EMF is a historical term used to describe voltage and its symbol is E. However, it is no longer commonly used because voltage is not actually a force. Today, the symbol E is more commonly used to represent electric field strength. Next is current. Current refers to the flow or movement of electrons in a circuit. The unit of current is ampere and its use symbol is I. Lastly, resistance. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of current in a circuit. Higher resistance means less current can flow.
Terms of definitions are energy, the fundamental ability to do work, joule, unit of energy, symbol equals to J. Electrical power, the rate of electrical energy used in a circuit calculated by multiplying current times voltage. Watt, unit of measurement for power. A watt is 1 joule per second. Symbol W. Ohm's law, a formula describing the mathematical relationships between voltage, current and resistance, one of the most commonly used equation in all of science.
So this is the terms used in Ohm's law. I, normally we use current in amperes. R, resistance in ohm, this is the symbol of ohms. V represent voltage in volt, which is big V, and A represent amperes, big A. And then of course ohm represent ohms, which is this symbol of ohms, and E, electromotive force, EMF in volt. Sometimes it's used as an alternate symbol for voltage.
Now, let's move on to the types of circuit. On the left side, we have a short circuit. A short circuit occurs when the resistor behaves like a perfect conductor. In this case, the resistance R equals to 0 ohms. Using Ohm's law, voltage V equals to I times R. Since R equals to 0, the voltage across the resistor is 0 volts no matter how much current flows. The situation can be dangerous because very high current may flow through the circuit. On the right side, we have an open circuit. An open circuit occurs when the resistor behaves like a perfect insulator. Here, the resistance is infinite, written as R equals to infinity ohms. In this case, the current I equals to 0 amperes. No current flows no matter how much voltage is applied.
Series and parallel circuit. A series circuit offers a single path for current flow. A parallel circuit offers more than one path for current flow.
So this is one of the example question for Ohm's law. Normally, we use this triangle to find V, R and I. If you want to find V, you need to times I and R. If you want to find R, you need to divide V and I. And same also, if you want to find I, you need to divide V and R. For this question, we know that we need to find the total current flow. For the total current flow, we need to find the R total for this circuit. So for R total, we know that R total is equal to R1 plus R2 and R3. And will be equal to 2.24 kilo ohms. And after we get the R total, we can directly find the total current flow for this circuit. For V, we know that V is 12 volt. Divide by the R total, which is 2.24 kilo ohms. And then we can get the answer for the total current flow, which is 5.4 milliamperes. I think that's all from now, and thank you. Bye.